Guys, the first recommendation that I have for today is a positional trading recommendation on ICICI Prudential Life. And tomorrow's pivot is roughly 451 and it opens above its pivot. I would recommend you to buy it when it breaks above 460 and exit it at 490. Now, why am I saying 460? Because as you can see here, this is the point of intersection of this resistance line with the candle. You can see interestingly that this was formerly a support line which was connecting the swing lows, but it transitioned into a resistance line somewhere around the past 2 weeks. Why am I saying exit at 490? Because as you can see, this is the base of the supply zone which has been formed roughly in February, so roughly 5 months ago. So there is a very high probability that when the stock reaches this level, it's going to rebound. So this is a return of roughly around 6.5%, and I expect you can get this in 1 week, which is pretty decent. So the word of warning here is that if it opens below 438 and breaks below 432, I would suggest that you avoid positional trading on the stock. Again, why am I saying 438? Because as you can see here, this is a 10 period EMA and 432 is a 21 period EMA. So any break below these levels is going to see it go to the lower levels. It's going to. So the next stock is VMart, which is a retail chain in India, and tomorrow's pivot is 1809. So if it opens above that, I would recommend you to buy it when it goes above 1819 and exit it at 1816. Now, why am I saying 1819? Because it's the 21 period EMA, and 1860, as you can see here, is the base of this supply zone which has been formed here. Now, investors who are a little more aggressive can plan their exit around 1870, which is a 50% Fibonacci retracement of the high which was made in March of 2541 to the low which was made in April of roughly 1200. So there's a difference of almost 50% in these levels. The warning for you is that if it opens below 1798, which as you can see is a 5 period EMA, and it goes below 1782, I would avoid this for positional trading. Now, why am I saying 1782? Because as you can see here, this is the base of this secondary supply zone which has been formed here. So break below this will render it quite bearish. Now, moving on to the next recommendation, this is for Symphony, which is a white goods and consumer durables company in India. Tomorrow's pivot is 844. So if it opens above that, I would recommend you to buy it when it breaks above 854, which as you can see here is a 5 period EMA, and exit this is 860. The warning for you is that if it opens below 844 and it breaks below 826, I would recommend you to avoid this for day trading. Now again, why am I saying 826? Because as you can see, this is the point of intersection of the candle with the primary support line which is connecting the swing lows. So this is roughly a return of 0.5% in 1 day, 0.75 to be more precise. Next stock that I'm going to talk about is Naukri. So tomorrow's pivot is 3144. So if it opens below that, I would recommend you to sell it when it breaks below 3128 and exit it at 3072. Now, why am I saying 3128? Because as you can see here, this is a 10 period EMA, and 3072 is roughly equal to the peak of the supply zone. So there is a very strong possibility that this will act as a support even if it breaches its 10 period and 21 period EMAs. And that is why I would advise you to exit at this point. The warning for you is that if it opens above its pivot of 3144 tomorrow and breaks above 3189, which as you can see here is a 5 period EMA, I would recommend you to avoid this for intraday trading. So let's move on to the last and final recommendation that I have. This is for Divi's Lab, which is a pharma and healthcare company, and this is a day trading recommendation. So if it opens above its pivot of 2359 and goes about 2380, I would recommend you to exit this at 2395. And again, why am I saying 2380? Because as you can see here, this is roughly equal to the peak of this supply zone. So break above this would see it extremely bullish, and I would recommend you to exit this when it reaches the base of the primary supply zone, which is close to 2400. So this is a return of roughly 0.5%, little more than that. The warning for you is that if it opens below 2330, which as you can see here is close to the 5 period EMA, and goes below 2286, which is a 10 period EMA, I would recommend you to avoid this for day trading. So that's it for today's jackpot recommendation, guys. All the best for tomorrow's trading session. Please leave your likes, comments, and please subscribe to my channel for more such recommendations. Thank you.